Hi, and welcome to an episode of This Old Gun. I am your host, Russell Wayarda, and in this quick episode, we're going to talk about the CCM screws, and more specifically, the T2 screws and why you should replace them. Frankly, they suck. They just round out, they rust, they're bad screws, bad hardware. So go to your local Ace Hardware or what have you and get the proper sizing. What sizing is that? Right here. You want to avoid what happened to me.
You CCM.
Look at the threads.
And here's the second time we had to do it.
We're doing surgery.
Oh,
I feel like I've been here before.
you have.
It's not gonna be fine.
Now, while you're at the store shopping for your brand new hardware, you're going to notice you have many options. I went with a nice button head hex head. That way, any field I go to and any player will have Allen keys right there for me. That way I don't have to pack my special Torx head just to get in to my T2 whenever I have an issue. Which, by the way, side note, is a T10 in case you still want to replace your current Torx with newer Torx. That's totally fine. The Torx heads do not strip, that is one perk. But again, if you do forget your special T10, good luck. I'm telling you right now, no one's gonna have that tool for you. So pro tip, replace your screws on your T2.